So the long-awaited Galaxy S24 Ultra is finally here, and these are the 5 reasons that why you shouldn't buy the Galaxy S24 Ultra if you have a Galaxy S23. Reason number 1, almost the same design. It's been about 3 years that Samsung is using the same design since the launch of Galaxy S22, and Galaxy S24 Ultra is the last phone with this design. I'm not saying that the design is bad, but I do think it not stands out. It's kind of same for the last few years at this point. So if you care about design, better to wait for Galaxy S25 till next year. Reason number 2, the camera. Galaxy S24 got a minor upgrade in camera department. This isn't that big of a jump as we saw when moving from Galaxy S22 to Galaxy S23. Also, according to many initial reports, Galaxy S24 is having issues with camera in low light and it needs a software update as soon as possible. I am testing my unit too, but make sure to subscribe as I'll be sharing my results soon. We have the same 200 megapixel camera system, but this time we have a 5x telephoto camera when compared to 10x on Galaxy S23. Overall, I think the difference is so small that it isn't worth spending your money on. Reason number 3, Galaxy AI features. So Samsung discussed a lot about Galaxy AI stuff at their Unpacked event, but do you know that most of the Galaxy AI stuff will be also available for Galaxy S23 and S22 with a new One UI update? Yes, that's true. So you don't have to worry about Galaxy AI not being available on your Galaxy S23 right now. Reason number 4, the performance and battery life. So every Galaxy S23 unit was available with a Snapdragon processor, but this year only the Galaxy S24 Ultra has a Snapdragon processor in every market. This new processor doesn't offer a huge leap in performance, like there's a 20% bump in CPU performance and around 30% bump in GPU performance. So if you mostly use social media apps, then this phone isn't worth checking out. Also, battery life is kinda same at 5000 mAh. Even if we are getting a new and better processor, the difference would be really small. Reason number 5, the price. So if you don't know, Galaxy S24 Ultra starting price is around $100 more than S23 Ultra. Also, if you are looking to buy a brand new phone at a discounted price, just get the Galaxy S23 Ultra. Many deals are out there that you can avail at the moment. So these were some reasons that why you shouldn't get the Galaxy S24 Ultra, especially if you already have the last year's S23 Ultra. Make sure to subscribe as I'll be dropping more S24 content soon. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.